Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prep Kripa classes. Our today's topic is DBMS Module 4. In this course, we will study about acid properties in DBMS, components of DBMS, relational database model, primary key, foreign key and composite key. After going through this course, the students will understand that the full form of acid in DBMS is atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. The students will learn that atomicity means all or none. That is, either all the transaction has to be completed in full, or if any of the operations of the transaction fails due to any reason, the whole of the transaction is reverted back. The students will also learn that the database system has to be placed in a situation where it is in consistent state before and after the transaction. Isolation in DBMS means that in the case of multi-user environment, each transaction is performed in a way that it is isolated from other transaction and there is no interference between the transactions. Durability property ensures that if one transaction is complete, it is permanently saved in the database system. Even there may be some power problem or internet problem. Acid properties in DBMS are essential to maintain the data integrity and ensure that there is consistency of data. The students will understand that the various components of DBMS are DBMS software, DBMS hardware, then users, procedure and database access language. The students will understand that the DBMS hardware includes storage devices and many other hardware devices. The students will learn that there are three kinds of people who interact with DBMS are database developers and database administrators and end users. Database access language provides the means so that we can interact with the database. The students will learn that relational database model was introduced by an English computer scientist E.F. Code in the year 1969 and it was introduced in 1970 and it has then since then become very popular in the field of database models. Then the students will also learn that there are many key components of relational model that is tables, rows, columns, etc. The students will learn what is primary key, foreign key and composite key. The students will learn that primary key cannot allow null values. Null values means values missing. Then the students will learn that a primary key in one particular table can appear in multiple columns as foreign keys. After going through this course, you will have a thorough knowledge about the acid properties which play a key role in ensuring the data integrity and data consistency of the system, and you will also understand how the relationship is established between different tables by way of primary key and foreign keys. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.